I'm very excited to share with you my Hostinger coupon. I just partnered up with Hostinger and you can literally go check the link in the description. Make sure you use the coupon code MakeMoneyRush to get additional 10% discount. Now I'm gonna walk you through entire Hostinger setup and every single thing, and how to buy a domain, brand new domain.com, .in, every single thing. Now when you go to the Hostinger, make sure you click the link below. So it's gonna take you to this landing page, of course. So here you get something called free domain, free website migration, and 24/7 custom. Like, I've been a fan of Hostinger from a long time, and I have 5+ domains till now from 2 years. So when I click on claim deal, and here what I'm going to see is $2 per month, $3 per month, $7 per month. Now if you're running a cloud startup, and if based on if you're very complex, or if you're running a business website and web apps and something like that, you have a customer user acquisitions, and you might need a lot of SSD storage, so you can go for it. Otherwise premium is nice. So if you want to just host a landing pages, again it depends on you, okay, how much traffic you want to acquire. So I think in the previous version you can get it around the maximum cap is 20,000 visitors. So what you want to do is you want to click on choose plan, and here what you want to do is when you click on choose plan, and it's going to ask you to select hosting. The more months you select hosting, the higher the discount you're going to get. Now what you want to do is you want to click on have a coupon code. Now once you click on have a coupon code, here you want to simply input all caps make money rush and click on apply. So when you click on apply, it's going to see additional 10% discount, and also 75% discount, and total you get a total of 85% discount when you're purchasing for the first time. And also along with that, you're gonna get free domain plus 3 months free hosting services. So how cool is that? So you click on continue. Now when you get inside the Hostinger, this is how it looks like. And here what you want to do is go to the domains and go to the get a new domain. Now here you can see I have many domains right here. I have been collecting domains and reselling it. So when you click on get a new domain, and here you're gonna see an option called enter your desired domain name. And the good thing about this is you have generate domain using AI. Like, you just give a short example. So let's just say I need a domain which I use for blogging, and I blog about names and list. Okay, so that's it. Click on generate, and it's gonna come up with all the possible domains relevant to the description which you have wrote. How cool is that? As you can see, now whenever the Hostinger is recommending you domains, it also includes it also shows you the prices, and you can literally directly buy it, and if you like it. Okay, so as you can see, based on the description which I gave to the Hostinger AI, it's recommending me namelist.com, which is a cool domain name, and I can simply click on buy now, and that's it. Since you are purchasing for the first time, you're gonna see for free, you're gonna buy it for free, because Hostinger, whenever you're purchasing first time hosting plan, they're gonna offer you a free domain for the first time. And you can also see other domains, nameindex.info, blogofnames.com. Now blogofnames.com is a very fantastic domain name. Now that's that. If you have any queries about like how to access and how to set up every single thing, how to move it to WordPress, comment down below. I'm gonna reply to you. I'm gonna reply to all questions you have, and I'm gonna reply the solutions.